What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Thanks for clicking on the channel. This is a little bit of a different video. This isn't your typical ride video. Tony and Enrique bribed me into actually racing. Why is this so special? Well, I ran one race at the beginning of last season on Tony's trike, blew it up. The season before that, I think I got the first couple of races in, blew up all of my bikes, and pretty much haven't raced since. Concussions and stuff pretty much kept me off the track and blowing up bikes. Enrique and Tony decided that they were going to pull me out of retirement, so they came in Saturday and took my gear and me, and off to the track we went. Now, Tony comes up, drops off the quad, says you need to get seat time. Now, I build his quads, but I don't really ride his quads. This is the first time I've really got seat time on the 505. The thing handles like a dream. Really like the setups of these KTMs. When I hit the track with it, I was super comfortable and really didn't have any worries. So, this video is me getting some seat time on the KTM, getting used to the power, how it handles and stuff like that, so I'm not spinning out in the corners in the track. And I'll tell you, it was totally worth it. When you've got friends like these guys that know what your passion is and know how to get you to chase it down some, even though you've been away from it for a while, it's really good to have them around. So enjoy the rest of this ride video. We still got a couple of minutes left. And I'll tell you, it was a lot of fun racing. I'm sore as hell today, but lets me go through these race videos and get them all edited for you guys, and we'll get them all posted up. Really appreciate the views, appreciate the seat time watching the videos. And I'm trying different lines because, well, Dade City, we're always going on the inside. They say protect the inside. This track has got a really smooth flow on the outside. You can tell by looking at the berms. So, yeah, I start trying to cut these corners on the inside. And then, of course, try something new, make a mistake, learn real fast. That's what racing's all about. See? Whoops. And back on the track we go. One more lap. Let the bike cool down. Do an oil change on it in the morning. Gets a little bit more time on it this evening. And off to the races we go Saturday. Yeehaw. Second gear starts. Didn't pull any hole shots, but like I said, it was a lot of fun. Appreciate the views. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.